Hello Adobe Express creators, want to add a QR code to your design? Let me show you how to make it easy and effective. Let's go. First, open Adobe Express and start or edit your design. Go to Add-ons section. In the search bar, type QR code and select the option to generate a QR code. You will be prompted to enter the URL or information that you want the QR code to lead to. Once your QR code is generated, you can add it to the design and now resize and position it anywhere on your design. Adjust the style, color, and position to fit your design perfectly. Use QR codes for links, events, promotions, or even your social media profiles. If the QR code is not scannable, double check the size and ensure there's enough contrast between the code and its background. What will you use your QR code for? Let me know in the comments below. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.